Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy USDC on cex.io application. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on CEX app for the wallet. And so from here, very simply, after you have created your account, verified your information, and added your phone number, all you have to do is click on the buy sign. And so from here is going to show you the options, and I already have it ready from here. So if it showed you something else like Bitcoin, simply search for whatever currency you might want right here, enter the amount that you would like to buy, and then click on buy with anything method that you would like. So for me, I'm going to use my credit card that is connected to my Google Pay. And so for me, once you click that and you click on continue, then it's going to load, and then very simply it's going to add that amount to your wallet. And there you go. Now you have just bought 11.4 USDC on the wallet. And once you do that and close it, then you go to your wallet section. And once you refresh, then you'll find it in your funds, just like that right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.